Guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is Studio Boys and Toys. Check it out, guys. This is gonna be a quick video, just a follow-up onto the installation of the leaf guard I did on my shed early this year. It's been up on the shed for a good part fall and winter right now. As you can see, I have no more leaves above my shed, and initially I had a big problem. So what this video is about, just a follow-up on how is the leaf guard performing. I just took out the ladder right now, and we're gonna get up there and take a look at it. I didn't clean it, I didn't brush it, I didn't do anything. All right, had a couple of snowfalls, so I'm curious to see how the leaf guard is performing. So let's take a look at it. This is Studio Rays. Welcome back to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. All right, guys, we're gonna go up here on the ladder now to take a look at this leaf guard. All right, all right, guys, and we're gonna see what I see now. Now, mind you, when I put this, see, all the leaves are going pretty much off the tree. They all hit this roof and it came straight down. I didn't have to get up here and blow anything down or wipe it down. I pretty much let Mother Nature do its business. So as you can see, this is the only thing that's going on with the leaf. So what I'm gonna do, I have a little brush that I have to go in the house and get, and that's it, guys. I don't know if you can tell with inside, but there's absolutely no any type of debris inside my gutters. I don't believe this is gonna come out too well on the video. I'm looking into it and it's absolutely clean. So the leaf guard is definitely doing its job. The only thing I have to do, which I'm gonna come up with a little brush, and I'm just gonna wipe all these little seeds off and the little branches. But other than that, it's doing its job. I think the only hiccup I have here, and I don't know if you guys can notice it, when I did the overlap, like you can see right here, there's some buildup of the seed. It's not going inside the rain guard, but that's the only thing I can see, which is not a big deal. So I'm just gonna get over there and wipe it off. So again, this is just a follow-up to that video. If you guys was interested in seeing if this thing actually works, if it's worth the time, if it's worth the effort, if it's worth the cost, and I like it. It's doing its job, and I just help you guys out there to make a decision. Check out the link below. I'll put the link on where I got it from. I picked it up from Amazon. That link is a affiliate link, so if you guys decide to pick it up, it does help support the channel, so I appreciate it. All right, guys, check out the first video how I installed this. Very easy, some basic tools you need, and you can get this done. All right, I wanted to show you this part here. I remember in my first video how I overlapped this piece onto this piece. As you can see, I'm getting some buildup right here. It's no big deal. It's not getting into the gutter, but I suggest I might reverse it. I might take this here and put it on top. The reason why, being that this is a slight pitch going that direction, it just makes it easier for when the debris hits it, it'll continue on or it won't get built up. So that's the only thing I would do differently installing this, is to reverse this. Wherever the gutter is pitching, make sure it's almost like a roof. Make sure you overlap it in that direction, so when it hits, it'll continue that direction, so it won't be any type of buildup. At least that's one thing right now. So as you can see, I just got a little buildup. No big deal. All you have to do, get you a little dollar brush from the dollar store, come up here and just brush all that out. And that's pretty much it, guys. Again, this is the follow-up video to this installation. Just want to show you guys how it's looking. All right, this is several months after I installed this, and as you can see, all the leaves are pretty much all gone off in there. I have no buildup of leaves or anything. I let Mother Nature do its job. It blew everything down, it washed everything down. So all you have to do, or at least all I have to do, is just come back, I guess, end of the season, beginning of the season, and just to clean off the little twigs and little seeds off of it. But other than that, it is doing its job. Inside, there's only like little fine dirt, which as it rains, that'll wash itself away. So I don't think you'll be able to see that in this video. Very hard to see, but that's what's happening. So there's no leaves getting inside the gutter, just a little fine dirt, which being washed away when it rains, and that's pretty much it. So I just want to show that to you guys, and that's pretty much it. All right, this again, thank you for joining me. Please hit that like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one. All right, later.